Hey there, welcome to Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're here, you're probably here to check out one of our fantastic bands. So let's do that right now inside of this box, one that we like to call the McKinley, which will be shipped to you as fast as humanly possible in one of our fantastic boxes that we've made especially for you. Inside, we've got our welcoming card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. It's a fantastic movement. We've got some compliments, customer service information, and some pictographs here telling you how social media works. So check that out. Find us on social media, and we'll find you on social media. That's what I just said. Inside, we've got it there, the McKinley. Absolutely beautiful. This is titanium with a whiskey barrel sleeve. So if you can get in there and see that beautiful wood grain, that is whiskey barrel. Perfect comfort fit, 7 millimeters wide, and got a flat finish, flat design on it. Absolutely beautiful. Whiskey barrel, I didn't know this, typically made out of oak, American white oak to be precise, for its leak resistance. It is the diaper of woods, apparently. So that's a great marketing tool, point, right guys? Sure. Inside, also, we've got our black silicone band that is included with every purchase, so make sure to check that out. And inside, we've also got some special promotional offers from people we like to partner with that offer fantastic products that we think that you'll love. So, thanks for stopping by and checking out the McKinley on manlybands.com.